Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going on Noah's Cook. I'm making chocolate orange cheesecake. Hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe. Let's go.
So the first thing we need to do now is get these Bourbon Biscuits and chop them up into tiny little pieces in this bowl. Let's go.
Let's go.
And try to do it where the tab just doesn't break off in your hand.
Light, camera, action. Even though there's garbage in the background.
Right, go on in there.
You can see a bit of wire, but
Grab one.
I'll grab one.
And then we just
Why are
need
these not like all broken for us anyway?
to... Oh, that's better. Just need to make them up now. Tiny bits. Look, tiny bits like this, not the size of an entire biscuit. Obviously, you can just get. There we go. All small bits. So sorted. Right.
How do you put the butter in?
Grams, look, 0 grams. So there we go, look, 40 grams.
How much do you need?
About that. So then this goes in the microwave now.
It's on 39. Now it's on 221, Dad. 222.
Put that in the microwave for about 20 seconds.
What about my hand?
Put that back. So now all the butter's melted. Okay.
Pour in that.
Pour it, do you want
Yes, do it. Oh, it's hot.
to get it all in there?
Done. I know what to do, Dad.
Yeah.
I know what to do.
Right, this now, you need to put this in there.
So
Pour it in, whatever you want to do.
yeah, and does that mean
That in there.
pour that in there or?
That in there.
Okay.
Try not to, 1, don't bend the camera, 2, don't miss the thing.
There you go. Good day, sir.
Get all the extra bits out. Now look, that just needs pushing round. There, all the way round. Fill in all the bottom. And then you just need to know to pat it down like that. Do you want to do that? There we go.
Hold it.
So that's how it should look. Nice and firm. And now that goes in the freezer for 30 minutes. Let's go.
We do.
So while that Well, that's in the freezer for half an hour, and we need to start preparing the actual cheesecake itself.
Oh, I know what we use. Matchmakers.
Well, you use these orange zingy stick
No,
chocolatey pieces.
The matchmakers.
Should not be named.
Right.
Okay.
Well, it should not be named.
Okay, take half of them,
Okay.
so one half, and just break, no, just one at a time. Just break them up like that into tiny little pieces. Okay? No. Tiny pieces. Look at that! Someone's going to choke on that. Tiny pieces. Okay? Let's go. Look at the size of... Look at that! Look at that! I'll tell you what. There you go. Right. So, there we go. Cut up into nice little bits. So now, I've got to use this chocolate orange ball chocolate type that shall remain nameless.
Why
Everybody
then?
knows what it is, but it looks like that and then falls apart when you do it. So we won't say what it's called. So we need half of this.
I know, half for it to go move.
No, not half it to go. And then what you need to do with this is break this into little pieces as well. Are you going to break some of this into little pieces?
Okay. In that bowl. Can I borrow some there?
Just do the middle bit. Okay. I'll also explain what to do with edge in a minute because it's quite a tough edge. What is that? What is that? Small pieces. Not massiss pieces. Yeah. And then the edge,
Where's
just
your
put in another bowl.
Okay.
Okay. I'll explain why in a minute. Alright, so all nice and, well, mostly finely chopped up. And we can put that to it. Alright, we need these out again. Now, to measure, see about that, 75 grams of castor sugar. This could all go horribly wrong, but if you want to pour that into there, 75.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 105.
No, 75. Right, there you go. That'll do. 77. Close enough. Right, we now need
Macaroni!
a big bowl
Mascarpone!
and mascarpone cheese.
Macaroni!
And a spoon.
Macaroni!
There we go.
Macaroni! I love
Now you need
sugar!
double cream. Right, add about half of that now into there. Nope, just pour it in. That half of it.
Yay.
Right, icing sugar in there. Just get it all tipped in. It's always
Oh, smoky.
little bits of chocolate, the bits that we did earlier. Pour all them in. Just pour them in.
Okay.
Nice. orange
There you go.
flavouring, okay?
Okay, so pour that in.
Just pour pretty much all of that in. Just pour it on in.
Hello, with boo boo.
Right, and the reason why I've left all of that is because that now needs to go in the microwave to melt it all. Okay. Okay, now all the chocolate has melted. I'll hold this because it's very, very hot.
Yeah.
Just pour all of that
Into the moo bowl.
into there.
Moo bowl.
Well,
It's the moo bowl.
get as much of it in there as you can. We don't want to waste all that lovely chocolate.
No, you'll just lick it.
You might, babe.
And then whisker time. Okay.
Right, so it should all look like that. All just mixed together. Right, now this is the dangerous bit. You're in charge of the whisk now.
Yeah.
So you need to just get that in there. Get it in there. Okay. Are you ready? Are you holding it?
Yes.
Oh, this could
Is it on turbo?
This could be bad. No, it's not going on turbo. Right. So when I turn it on, just move it around, okay? Right, you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh God. Just gonna mix it all up. And that is how it looks when it's all mixed up. Super yummy. Now all you need to do is get your place back out of the freezer that we did earlier, and then start spooning this in. No. Oh Jesus! That nearly got me in the head! Oh my God! There you go. Look at that. Chocolate orange cheesecake. So all you need to do with that now,
Travel down the table one.
is cover that over and stick it in the fridge overnight, ideally. It can be a couple of hours, but it's always best to do it overnight, I think. And there we go. Job done. Thank you.